Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can access M-Shwari in your SIM Toolkit. What you need to do, you just need to get into your SIM Toolkit where we have M-PESA. Then you need to come to where we have Road and Savings. Then you can be able to access M-Shwari, where you can be able to set to M-Shwari, withdraw from it, lock the saving account, get a loan, check the balance, and then check the mini statement in M-Shwari. But in our case, we need to check just the balance. That I know I have nothing in M-Shwari. Then you just enter that my pin here. So, and after that, I will just receive a message. So I just receive a message concerning the balance which is there. So this is how you can be able to access it. Just get to M-PESA, then loans and saving, then it is here, and you can be able to enjoy any service which you want to enjoy. You are in M-Shwari. So thank you for watching. So you can even get a loan or get a mini statement or lock the money in a saving account. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any guiding content like this. Thank you and God bless you.